how to fix Instagram camera ratio on Android or iOS phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix this problem easy and quick on Android or iOS phone. First thing you need to do here is to go to settings. If you have an Android phone, go to display and brightness, and here you will find screen resolution. Make sure it's high. Maybe you will find it on low, or you can just make it on smart resolution, and that's it. Now your problem must be fixed. And then if that doesn't fix it, go to App Store or Play Store, make sure your Instagram is updated, then restart your phone and try again. And if that also doesn't fix it, then all you need to do just come back here, uninstall your Instagram and install it again, and that's it. Then it must be fixed. Please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and see you in the next video.